personal opinion ko, ha? You know naman how committee hearings are held here, di ba? Do you think you can come up in a committee hearing here, anywhere in the Congress, and just say anything you want to say? No. There's always an agenda, okay? There are people assigned to talk about certain things, and then you are limited to a certain period of time, etc., etc. Okay? Now, if you resent the fact that I'm giving suggestions, I will stop making suggestions and just wait for this thing to fall down where it's supposed to fall. Okay? But sa akin, feeling ko, because we have said this, they will pay attention to it and maybe work a little bit better to put the evidence in good order.
So,
Are you
satisfied or not with how the...
I have not seen the hearings yet. Wala pa eh. We're going to join the hearings, obviously.
But sir, the pre-hearings before yung proceedings ng...
Again, we voted for substance. What else do you want?
Nangyayari po yun.
I don't disagree with him. Diba? I don't disagree with him. But I'm saying that in the NBI investigation now, the defense of the Vice President is it was a conditional threat. Ine-explain ko sa inyo what a conditional threat means. Okay? So the task of the committee now is to, do what Nonoy Defensor said, who is, by the way, NUP. Thank you. Well, I don't know. Let's look at the evidence. No? Pero ang point lang dyan, yung SALE na sinabit niya from the time she was elected, 2022, di ba? At 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. Ano ba yan? Is it a true and honest statement of her assets and liabilities? Yun naman yun eh. Ngayon, kung sumabit-sabit sa before that, no, baka lumabas yan dito sa apat na to. Pero hindi mo pwedeng gamitin yung SALE niya of 2019. Di ba? Kasi the Supreme Court already ruled that out. Again, there was no hearing in the 19th Congress. Okay? I was not there, but there was no hearing. What happened there was the complaint went immediately into a general voting. Okay? And based on that, the party voted with the impeachment. Okay? Wala namang ebidensya. So basically, what was the vote really then? The vote was really to say that it was substantive and correct in form. Doon sa 100 votes of the one-third, wala pang presentation of evidence doon.
Wala.
Alam mo naman siguro yung process, di ba? O walang presentation of evidence doon. Ano lang?
Wasn't it discussed in a private...
No, wait. You get the complaint, you vote on that. What is the vote there? Yung one-third vote. Na wala kayong pinag-usapan na ebidensya. The vote is form and substance. Okay? Then you send it to the Senate because you say the Senate should be the one to discuss the evidence. Yan ang nature ng action ng Congress or House of Representatives before. Okay? What's the difference then and now? Now we have hearings. Okay? When we're done with the hearings, Congress will come up with an opinion on the evidence. Iba ito. We are not backtracking. Did we vote on substance NUP now? Yes. All of us. We voted on substance. Di ba? Who did not vote on substance? NPC did not vote on substance. The others did not vote. Kami lang at lakas yung pinakamaraming bumoto on substance ngayon. Check nyo. Di ba? O bakit kami yung sinisita? Yung iba na bumoto rin last year at hindi bumoto on substance ngayon, yun ang sitahin ninyo. Di ba? Kasi kami, we are consistent. We voted on substance in the one-third vote. We voted on substance on the committee vote.